Making a whipped cream without an electrical mixer or a hand whisk is an easy and effective way of achieving a light and fluffy result using basic tools. You can use a whipped cream. In today's video, I will demonstrate the method of a piping bag, which not only saves time but also adds a touch of creativity and fun to the process. First, pour the cream into the bag and add icing sugar and vanilla. Close the bag, leave some space, blow a little air in it. Quickly twist the bag and trap the air inside to make. Then simply shake the bag. Once you feel the cream is no longer moving around, stop immediately. That's it, our beautiful whipped cream. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more easy and innovative cooking tips. See you in my next video.